All right, so I'm going to give you three examples on how to do this. I just want to review, this will be a little easier, but I want to review using distributed property to solve an equation. We didn't really do it, but you know how to do it before I give you the Quizlet activity where you're going to have maybe parentheses on both sides, have to do the distributed property and then still solve two equations at the same time. So I'm going to give you this, let you try this out first, and then go do the Quizlet where you're going to be able to combine what we learned the last 2 days with a review of distributed property combined with equations. Sounds tricky, but it's not. So let's start here. Of course, the problem is we have parentheses where we cannot add 2b plus 8 because 2 has a b and the 8 doesn't. So 3 is going to come to the rescue and go in and grab first 2b out. Remember, parentheses is multiplication. So it's 3 times 2 is 6b, the plus sign. And then 3 times 8 is 24. Then this goes back to what you've been doing. Who's having the party? -6. Who's coming to party? 24. How's it getting there? -24. Right? 24 went to the party. 6b stayed home. -6 and -24 together make -30. Now, what's the opposite math of 6 times b? Division by 6. Division by 6. B equals, there's one negative, we got to keep it. 30 divided by 6 is 5. B equals -5 is the answer. So that's one. All right, here's another one. Again, the x plus the 8 right here cannot be done because one's an x and one's not. Here comes -7 to the rescue. It's going to go in and grab the x first. So that becomes -7x. The negative and the positive make a negative. 7 times 8 is 56 equals -14. Who's having the party? -14. Who's coming to the party? 56. It's minus, so to come is going to be plus. Right? 56 went to the party. -7x is still home. -14 plus 56. If I put it in the calculator, I'm going to get 42, right? -14 plus 56. If something costs $14 and I have $56, I'm going to have $42 left over. Then I say, okay, the opposite of multiplication is division. Notice I'm taking the whole -7, right? The whole -7. So x can stay on, x stays. There's still one negative, even though it's on the bottom. Negative has to keep it. 42 divided by 7 is 6. So the answer is x equals -6. One more example. All right, again, x minus 2 we can't do because one's an x and one's not. 6 comes to the rescue, goes in, grabs the x. That's easy. The minus sign, plus and minus, that stays. And then 6 times 2 is 12 equals -36. Who's having the party? -36. Who comes to the party? -12 becomes +12. 12 went to the party, 6x stayed home. -36 plus 12, I will put that in my calculator. I'm going to get -24. The opposite of multiplication is division. Divide by 6 because 6 is by the x. X gets to be by itself. 24, there's one negative, I got to keep it. And 24 divided by 6 is 4. All right, so that's how you do it. This video is going to be here. You can review it as much as you need to look at it. You can slow down, stop, take a picture, whatever you need to do. Try these on your own before you do the Quizlet. All right, that's it.